Whoa!
Hey, it's Emoji Day!
Emoji Day?
Yes! Dash and Steffi, what is your favorite emoji?
My favorite is kiss emoji. My favorite is smiley expressive face. Teacher, what is your favorite emoji?
Good question. My favorite emoji is the poop emoji.
Haha, poop emoji. Such a silly choice.
What's wrong about poop emoji?
Hey!
Nothing wrong.
And the first task will be guess the word by the emoji, and you will need this.
Okay.
But first, let's have some fun and play copy the emoji.
Yeah!
Good job, girls. Now let's move to the next task. Steffi, Dasha, guess this word.
Hello?
Spider. Guys, it's Spider-Man.
Correct, Dasha. And this is for you.
Whoa!
Alright. I'm gonna get the next one.
Now, guess this.
Oh, wow. It's watermelon.
Correct.
See, I told you.
And what about this one, girls? It's popcorn. Steffi, Dasha, can you guess this word?
Yes. Sunglasses.
Correct. What about this?
Woo! Yay!
Toothbrush.
Well done. And what about the last one?
Cuckoo!
Butterfly.
Great job, girls.
Give it back.
Hey, stop it, kids. Listen up.
Give it back.
Uh-oh.
It's homework time. You need to make a craft with emojis.
Okay. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. This homework is too difficult. I don't know what to do. Yeah, me too. What is this? It's just a remote. Remotes? That's great! What do you mean, Steffi? Let's make an emoji remote. This sounds crazy, but let's do it. Nice colors, but let's make it black. Okay. Voila! Power button and pause button. And our favorite emojis. Whoa, our remote is ready. Alright, it's time to try it. Yes, and you're gonna be the first person. This one. It's actually working. Now, let me try. I'm ready.
Okay.
So cool. Let's try this on Grandma.
Yeah!
Let's try this one on Grandma. What? Next one. This is so much fun. Dasha, pause! Dasha, pause! Dasha, press the smiling face with hearts. Look at my gumbo machine. Orange. Yummy.
Hey, Alex! Is that a bubblegum machine? Can I have one?
Sure.
I've got a white one.
Enjoy, Daddy.
Thank you. I'm gonna go back and play.
Oh no! Oh no, my bubblegum machine.
Oh no! I'm so sorry, Alex. Let me fix it.
Can't be fixed.
Oh no! I can't fix it.
What do we do now?
Don't worry, I will think of solution. I'll be right back.
Let me see if I can fix this.
Alex, I found a solution. Hope tape will fix it.
Tape, great idea.
Okay, all good now. I have an idea. We can eat it from the floor.
No, it's dirty.
I think there's one more solution. I'll be right back.
I hope it's something good.
Hi, I would like to order a bubblegum machine, please. Is it possible to deliver it today? Perfect! Alex, cheer up. I have a present for you. Did you hear the bell? Come with me. Wow!
Wow.
Let's take it inside the house.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
I hope you'll enjoy it. This is the biggest bubblegum machine I've ever seen.
Yeah, time to open it. This looks great.
Here's some bubblegum. Let's fill it up.
But this is not enough gumbo.
I'll get some more, don't worry.
Let's test it. It's green. I hope we'll get some more gumbos.
Now I have gumballs. But first I have a joke for Alex. Let's try it on. It's time for a joke for Alex. Alex, help! Help, Alex! Alex, help! Help! Alex, help! Look, Alex!
Stop! Stop!
No. Alex, it was a joke. It's me, Daddy. I have more bubblegum. Look.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, let's go and fill our machine up.
Yeah, let's go.
It's time to fill it up.
This looks amazing.
Perfect. I love it too.
Time to get some bubble gum. It's green.
Alex, stop. That's too much.
I'm just having fun.
It's lemon.
It's orange.
Where's Alex? Maybe he's here. There's nothing
here. Alex might be here.
No!
Alex is not here.
Aww.
Oh. Hello.
Huh?
It's okay to be scared, Alex. Let's go play together and I'll cheer you up. Hey, Alex, let's go for a ride. No, I'm afraid of falling down. Come on, Alex, it'll be fun. Don't be scared, it'll be fun. I don't know. Alex, I'll be with you. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, Alex. Oh, that was fun. Alex, you definitely need a haircut. Haircut? No. Come on, Alex. Don't be afraid of haircuts. No haircut. Don't worry, Alex. I'll come with you too. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. I like it. Thank you. Bye.
You are welcome. Who is next?
Alex, it's your turn.
Have a seat, Alex.
Alex, wait.
Who is next?
I just need to trim the ends. This is so relaxing. That doesn't look so bad.
All done.
Thank you. Alex, your turn. Come. Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Everything will be fine.
Well, I think it's relaxing. Good job, Alex.
Excellent.
All done.
I like it. Thank you. Well done, Alex, for conquering your fear.
I have a present for you.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. See you.
Oh, my tooth. My teeth. Ah. I don't like this place. Me too. Thank you, dentist.
You're welcome. Bye. Next.
You go first. Who wants to go first? Him. Okay, I'll go first.
Alex, have a seat, please. Open your mouth, please.
No.
Be brave. You can do it. Well done. How does it feel, Alex?
It feels fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Great.
It feels much better. Alex, you're so brave. I know. Now you have to go.
Next.
Good job, Maria.
Remember, always to brush your teeth before bed and in the morning.
Okay. Thank you, dentist. All three. Time for bed. Let's go. Good night, kids. Good night, Grandma. Good night, Alex. Good night, Grandma. Good night. Grandma, I'm scared of the dark. I'm really scared.
Excellent.
It's okay to be scared.
Oh my.
It takes time to get over your fears.
I'm finally free from school. Dad should be here in a minute.
Oh, it's 3 p.m. Time to pick up Steffi from the school. Such a lovely day today. What happened with my car? Oh no! The wheel of the car flew off. I have to call Steffi that I can't pick her up.
Huh? Where's Dad? Oh, my phone is calling. Hello? Hi, Dad.
Hello, Steffi. Sorry, I can't pick up you after school.
Oh no, why?
I have a problem with my car.
Sorry to hear. No worries, I will go home alone.
Travel safe. See you there. Hello? The wheel of the car flew off.
Such a long road, but I'm almost home. I'm finally home. I'm home. Wait. I'm home alone. Yay! The first thing I will do is play video games. Yes! Wait a second.
When you come home after school, first do homework, then play a game.
Yes, Dad. I'll do my homework first. Time to do my homework. Alright, I'm finishing my homework first. A circle, a square, and the last one, a triangle. Wow! Finished. Time for some food.
Let's see if anybody home.
Aha!
Let's ring the doorbell.
The doorbell. Let's check who's there.
Open the door.
It's a stranger.
Please open. Steffi, please don't open the door to the strangers.
I'm not opening the door.
They are not opening. So I can open it myself. The door is locked. They're too smart.
It's time to eat. Unhealthy or healthy? Let me think. Unhealthy, of course. I love chips.
When you come home after school, eat healthy food.
That is right. I have to eat healthy food. What should I have? Watermelon, banana, pineapple, strawberry, melon, orange, apple, dragon fruits. I want the apple. Yummy!
Yes! The car wheel is fixed. I can go home now. Let's check how Steffi doing. The door is locked. That's good. Let's go inside. Hey Steffi, here you are.
What took you so long?
I had a big problem with my car.
Oh no, I hope it's good now.
Yes. Are you gaming?
Yes.
Did you do your homework?
Yes.
Did you eat healthy food?
Yes.
Did you not open the door to the strangers?
No, I didn't open the door for strangers.
Great job, Steffi! Enjoy your game!
Let's play together then.
Oh, with the pleasure.
Hey, go away, go away. Go away, go away, go away. No, go away, go away. Just a dream. Ah! Help! go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh no, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Itchy, itchy, itchy. My mosquito bite is so itchy.
Oi. Don't worry, Alex. I will put some ointment on it.
Thank you, Grandma. I feel much better now.
Put on a patch.
Mosquito, go away.
So itchy! Mosquito, go away! Mosquito, go away!
Hurry, they flew away.
Itchy, itchy, itchy. So itchy. Oh, I feel so much better. Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Yes, mosquitoes go away.